Hello everybody, this is Steve-O back, and this is my dad's 1957 Chevy 210 sitting out here rotten. There's the rear seat. This is, you talk about barn fresh, hasn't been moved in years. No motor, no trans, was set up for a big block. Frame's been powder coated, everything. It's seen its better days. Oh, Chevy Beretta fender, but that's the real car you want to see. There's wasps and bees and stuff like that in it, so I'm not going to try to get too crazy. My niece has broke the window out. I wish I could take this car. I've asked my dad to get it out of here so I could go ahead and redo it, restore it. But, oh, S10 bedside, just sitting there, rust-free, Cavalier front bumper cover, Chevy Venture. I think those are Sunfire headlights. The old flames on it. You can see some of the chrome. He's got the other chrome in the basement of the house. Cavalier and Sunfire fenders. Look at all the crap on it. Here, I'll try to open up the door for you. I'm not scared or anything like that, but there's the back seat. See, this is what I would like. If I had enough subscribers, I would take the money and put it into this 57 Chevy Belair, 57 210, I mean, not Belair, and I would fix it up. See, this is the stuff. This is the stuff that gets me excited. I mean, I love the mini trucks, don't get me wrong. I love dragon frame, but this is cool too. This is a waste. It should not be sitting here. This is a car that shouldn't be sitting here, wasting away. I don't care if it's got a worn out 305, 200 R4, 700 R4, or whatever. It should at least have a 350 small block, with a nice RV cam in it or something like that. Should at least have that. It should not be sitting here wasting away. I mean, yeah, it's got surface rust. Nope. It's been sitting here so long, it's got rusty rockers. Ah, damn. Yeah, oh, man. But see, no filler. All American Chevy. Door needs adjusted. And this front end is just sitting on here. Radiator. Yeah. Oh, Olds Omega or Pontiac. No, it's Olds Omega, and that is an '84 Corvette 350 that's in it. Does anybody need a Olds Omega front end? Whole front clip. One little rust hole there. Or Pontiac Phoenix. My bad, Pontiac Phoenix. Whole front clip. Pontiac Phoenix. Does anybody need a Pontiac Phoenix run in? If they do, hit me up. I'll probably talk to my dad and get you a deal on it. This fender looks good. It's just that other side. Oh, one little tiny spot and one little tiny spot there. And the seat for the front seat for the 57 just sitting there rotting away. But there you go. Have a good day. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more stuff. Maybe we'll get into this 57 project. If you guys show enough interest, we'll pull it out of here and see if we can get it going. That would be fun. So let me know.